3, 2, 1.
Hello, everyone. Dear friends, this channel was established just a few months ago, but it is filled with trading strategies that have been proven to generate high profits in tests. As I mentioned before, I am a professional trader and I earn all my income from the stock markets. This trading model, which many people consider highly risky and even view as gambling, will serve you like a gold mine with the technical analysis methods that I strive to teach you. Just make sure not to compromise on discipline, patience, and strict adherence to the rules of the strategies you set in return for all my efforts. My only request from you is to like and share the videos, because there is no other way for me to reach a wider audience if I am helping you. I kindly ask for your assistance in return. Without further ado, let's quickly set up the parameters of the two indicators we will use and get started. Rule 1. For a short position, the orange line of the moving average must cross below the blue line. Rule 2. The RSI line should cross below the red-colored 35 level. Rule 3. A red-colored candlestick must close below the orange-colored moving average line. Rule 4. The stop-loss level should be set above the recent swing high, or above the blue-colored moving average line. That represents the overall trend with a 200 parameter, and the risk-reward ratio should be set to a minimum of 1 to 1.5. Let's take a look at long position. Rule 1. The orange line of the moving average must cross above the blue line. Rule 2. The RSI line should cross above the blue-colored 65 level. Rule 3. A green-colored candlestick must close above the orange-colored moving average line. Rule 4. To take profit level should be set below the recent swing low, or below the blue-colored moving average line. That represents the overall trend with a 200 parameter, and the risk-reward ratio should be set to a minimum of 1 to 1.5. Friends, now I will talk about a very important aspect regarding our trading strategy. If, while looking for opportunities for a short or long position, a candlestick closes by crossing above or below the 200 parameter blue moving average line, in the opposite direction of our expectation is invalidated. This situation often indicates that the market is entering a sideways trend, Price consolidation or sideways movement in financial assets is the most dangerous situation for traders, and especially novice investors tend to lose a significant portion of their capital during sideways market conditions. Now, I will try to illustrate how expectations are invalidated by showing you two examples.